Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Windsurf AI on your Windows PC or Mac step by step. Even if you've never used an AI coding editor before, this guide will help you get everything installed in just a few minutes. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official Windsurf AI website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the **download*** button. Click it and choose the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After the installer finishes downloading, open the downloaded file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, simply click **yes****. The installation wizard will appear on your screen. Click Next, accept the license agreement if required, choose your installation location, and then click **install***. Now wait a few moments while Windsurf AI installs all the necessary files. The installation time depends on your computer, but it usually takes only a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, click **finish** to close the installer. Launch Windsurf AI from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. The first time you open it, the application may take a little longer to load because it needs to complete its initial setup. Next, sign in with your Windsurf account. If you don't have one yet, click Create Account and follow the registration process. After signing in, you can customize your editor preferences, choose a theme, and install any recommended extensions if prompted. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windsurf AI on your computer. You're now ready to create projects, generate AI-powered code, edit files, and use advanced features like Cascade and AI chat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windsurf AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.